high head pressure too. I got like 130-degree air coming out of the fan, but the liquid line is not hot at all. Alright, so there's a little video on that. This thing will probably end up getting replaced soon. Alright, see you guys in the next one.